Well, welcome back to TV on Radio. Twize komeze neza cyane muri kumwe nanjye James Wanda. Tukaba tugiye kugenda no rugendo rwose mu ko mubibona hano turi muri Kigali International Airport. Twaje kwakira Joyous Celebration live hano muri Kigali ku itariki 29 bazaba bataramana natwe hariya muri BK Arena. Joyous Celebration kandi bakaba bakiriwe na Sion Entertainment and Zaburi Insha Events nibo baje kugira ngo bakire aba batumwa beza cyane. So we are live hano kuri muri Kigali International Airport. So mukanya gatuya twakira Joyous Celebration cyo kwa Nove screen zawe with the number one, the king of the mic, MC James Wanda, live hano kuri TVO ndetse na radio. So Nove screen zawe toka mukanya gatuya tubakira hariya hano ku kibuga cy'indege muko bano bari hafi gusohoka asigaye minota mikeya cyane cyo kwa Nove screen zawe turagaruka mukanya tubazana nabo. Nove screen and of course turi kumwe hano kuri Kigali International Airport numwe mu bantu baje kwakira Joyous Celebration. Rero mutwemere twanze tumwakire hano kubibutsa ko you are with the one and the only, the king of the mic, MC James Wanda hano kuri Kigali International Airport. We are ready to receive or to welcome Joyous Celebration all the way from South Africa. Rero mutwemere twanze twakire umwe mu bantu baje kubakira hano tumve we igitekerezo cye bimeze bite byumvate muri event giye kuba. Turakwakiriye papa. Mezutes.
Turaho, we are excited. We can wait. Umunezero ni mwinshi. Turanezerewe badutindiye the legends tumeze nk'abantu bagiye babyita ngo iki bari kubisa.
Okay, turi hano kuri Kigali International Airport. Mubona mu already it's almost 7 za nijoro turi hano murategereje. Ese don't you think ko ukuntu bakerewe mu gatoya no mu gitaramo bashaka kutu disappointing mu gato? What do you think?
Ibi ntaho bihuriye kuko ntago bari in control yabyo. Indege bitewe n'ikirere, delays zibaho, bagomba gukora scale Ethiopia, ibyo byose byatumye indege itindaho, ariko usibye kwitaranatinda cyane muri gahunda zari zihari harenze iminota mikeya which is okay, ariko bakigiye bakilandinga bakigera hano mu Rwanda gahunda ziraba zihari nono zizwi, nta kintu kiribuze kubarogoya, so ibintu biraba bimeze neza.
Okay, so ese ni inshuro yabo ya mbere kuza hano mu Rwanda cyangwa hari bigeze kuza ina?
Ni inshuro ya mbere muri information dufite zizwi ziri official, ni inshuro ya mbere, but excited. Twaze tuganira n'abari kutubwira ati anyway twebwe tukibona invitation yanyu twaranezerewe, twumvise u Rwanda, twakunze u Rwanda, twakunze ubuyobozi, twamenya amateka. We can't wait to see Rwanda. Nicyo twumva mu Rwanda birenze ibyo bafite amatsiko y'abanyarwanda, bafite amatsiko y'abanyarwanda, barabizi amateka, barabizi uburyo abantu babakunzemo, so ayo makuru yose barayafite.
Okay, tukiraho ngaho hari abantu benshi bajya bumva ngo ni Joyous Celebration giye kuza muri Kigali, ariko nago bazi ngo Joyous Celebration ni ihe ndirimbo yaririmbye. Ese Joyous Celebration bayizi ku ihe ndirimbo cyane?
Abantu benshi biratandukanye. Yubajije umuntu akugira liste y'indirimbo 10 zitandukanye n'izundi. Twaje dukora survey mukajya mu makora no muri group no muri za worship team mukavuga ati mwumva zari izindi ndirimbo Joyous yabaririmbira. Indirimbo 10 zikaba zitandukanye n'izindi 10 zindi worship team, so ibyo bikwereka urukundo nimba mutima z'abantu bafite ku bwa Joyous Celebration mu Rwanda.
Okay. So turimo kwitegura kubakira no mu kibuga cy'indege. Turabizi ko the event will happen on 29th of December 2024. Then what should we expect from these guys? What is their uniqueness and when n'izindi ministries zituka mu bindi bihugu? Ese kubera iki mumva ko mwahisemo Joyous Celebration kubera hano mu gihugu?
Joyous Celebration dufite expectations nyinshi. Iya mbere ushobora kwibaza ni gute umuntu aririmba mu rurimi utumva bikagufasha. Icyo cyubwacyo ni sign ikomeye, ukabyina ukahembuka, so icyo ni ikintu gikomeye. N'abantu bahembuye imitima y'abantu benshi, abantu barimbye mu kizuru, barimba mu cyongereza, abantu bazumva imitima igahembuka, so turimo respectinga guhembuka kw'abantu imitima. turimo turespektinga gukira indwara kw'abantu kandi si Joyous gusa ari dufite na Misigaro Gentil dufite Alarm abo bose ni abantu bafite worship spirit muri bo ku buryo turimo turespektinga guhembuka kw'abantu.
We are seeing these people coming from South Africa. Ese tuzadufitemo translation y'izo ndirimbo bamwe benshi tujya tubyina indirimbo zabo mu ndimi zabo ariko tutazi translation cyo bisobanuye. Ese are you guys planning to create a translation platform yaba abantu bazaba barimo kurikira cyangwa bazaba bitabiriye iki gitaramo?
Igitangaje kandi kinashimishije ni uko ubu ngo indirimbo zabo nyinshi abantu benshi bazizi ubusobanuro si nka mbere uko bitewe na social media abantu bagiye bagenda bakajya kuri YouTube bakajya muri translation ariko on top of that of course nabyo tuzabikora muri team duri gufatanya ngari cyane turimo turabitegura uburyo hazaba mu translation mu buryo bwa lyrics birenze n'ibyo mu buryo bwa MC turi gukoresha uburyo bw'isho buryo message zatambuka izumvikana neza.
Niba atari ibanga, how many people should we expect who are coming from South Africa, probably members from Joyous Celebration? Niba atari ibanga,
kimwe je twavuga ni surprise tubafitiye ariko amasura yose muzi ya Joyous Celebration iyi ntago ari junior Joyous Celebration nta no junior ibaho. These are the seniors, the legends. Ni surprise y'abantu tubafitiye gusa na amasura abantu bazi bari buze ku expectinga murababona so yego aba ni abantu bazwi n'amasura azwi n'abanyarwanda.
Okay, ubu rero nkuko tucyari hano kuri Kigali International Airport indege murazumva zirimo kumanuka gace gace rero mutwemerere tugushimire cyane bibutsa amazina.
Nitwa Tumaini Marcel nk'abandi umwe muri coordination y'iki giterane so turongera turabwira ngo nikaze muri BK Arena imiryango izabifungwe guhera saa 6 z'amanywa ntago twifuza nta nibyo turi ku expectinga turabizi neza ko abantu bazazinduka turimo turakira message zitandukanye abantu bari kutubwira se tuzaze saa 4 twabyo ati yes nta kibazo ariko saa 6 zuzuye imiryango zabifunguye amatike bayabonye e-tickets kuri doturwa zirahari zirahatandukanye za 250 n'ahandi henshi so nta kibazo dufite abantu barahari abantu bazazinduka mu butumwa tubwira twakira butandukanye.
Okay, thank you so much. Tuzahure kuri uwo munsi kwitse 29 z'ukwe 12 harabize iminsi ndi ku cyumweru actually. Thank you so much, may God bless you. Nkuko mubizi of course turi hano kuri Kigali International Airport tuje kwakira Joyous Celebration from South Africa. Nkuko mubizi habayeho ikibazo cy'indege gutinda mu kuntu bitewe n'ikirere kuntu cya kimeze so bari kugera hano saa 6 z'ijoro ariko nago byabakundiye nkuko mwabonye video twatangiye to interviewing abantu bari baje kwakira Joyous Celebration all from South Africa so habaye ikibazo cy'indege bitewe n'ikirere cya kimeze so ngomba ko tubakira saa 4 z'uyu munsi mu gitondo so aka kanya turi hano live kuri Kigali International Airport tugiye kubakira Joyous Celebration abanyamakuru benshi barahari hano protocol nziza cyane irahari kandi twakomeje no gushimira cyane Sion Communication in partnership with Zabulisha baje kugira ngo dufatanye kugira ngo twakire Joyous Celebration all away from South Africa. Ubungu turi hano ku kibuga cy'indege mu kwanya gato twaje tubakire hano kandi mwibuke ko muri kumwe with the one and the only, the king of the mic, MC James Wanda hano live kuri TV owechuka nove kuri screen zawe mukanya gato turaje tujyana dufata interviews abantu bamwe na bamwe Ya mwiriwe neza cyane nkuko mubibona ubu ngubu nkuko nabibabwiye ko turi hano muri Kigali International Airport turi kumwe with the half of Joyous celebration all from South Africa twize komeze neza cyane hano hari abo twakiriye hano reka tubanze tumve bameze bate ni bande ni bangahe how many are they and how excited are they good to see you bro.
I'm so excited to be here. Good to see you guys.
What's your name?
My name is Ulungelo Memela.
Ulungelo Memela.
Based on Joyous celebration.
Oh.
Yeah.
From South Africa?
Yes, from South Africa.
Okay. Is it your first time to be in Kigali?
Yes, definitely. This is my first time here. This is why I'm so excited to be here. We've heard a lot about Rwanda, so yeah, can't wait to experience.
Okay. For instance, what have you so far heard about Rwanda?
Apparently, it's one of the cleanest countries and has the most welcoming people. Yeah, so I'm excited for that.
Okay, so it is your first time to come?
Yeah, my first time to come.
So how many number of people who are coming from Joyous celebration for South Africa?
I think there is over 30 of us who are here. I think the remainder of the people will be joining us a bit later.
Okay. So how excited are you guys?
Yo, you can imagine. Last week we were at Malawi, so we couldn't wait to be here because Malawi was awesome. So we are very excited to be here, and we are hoping that this will be a time of our lives.
Okay, one of the first disappointment was the flight. How was the flight? How was the trip?
Oh, tell me about it. I think we're supposed to be here at around 1 a.m. if I'm not mistaken. Now it's only after 10, so you can imagine the frustration. But nonetheless, we're not deterred. We're just happy to be here.
Okay, so what are you expecting from the crowd of Rwanda when you guys will be performing?
Yo, a lot. I'm sure they do know some of our songs. They'll be singing along with us, dancing along with us. Yeah, so I'm excited. I'm looking forward to that.
Okay, are you sure that all the songs that you guys sing in your language, mother language, these people here in Kigali will be listening or understanding the language?
One thing I've come to realize that Joyous fans, they've been following the choir, so they definitely do know most of the songs. So I'm sure they will know some of the songs.
Okay, good to see you, bro.
Thank you so much.
May God bless you.
God bless you too. Thanks.
I'm doing well, thanks, and how are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
Dr. Sylvester.
Dr. Sylvester. And my sister?
I'm Siaka.
I'm Siaka.
Yes.
What's the meaning of Siaka?
We are building.
Oh, we are building. I'm also called James.
Okay.
Yeah, good to have you guys.
Thank you so much. We are so honored. Yes.
So we've been here at night, like you waiting for you guys. What happened to the flight?
Oh, the flight couldn't land because of the fog and the weather conditions. They needed to be rerouted to Uganda. And Uganda, we spent about 2 hours. Then we had to go back to Addis Ababa. Then rush through to get to the flight to Kigali.
Oh,
Yeah.
so sorry, bro.
Yeah, well, we managed, thank God.
Okay, so is it your first time, guys, to be here in Kigali?
Yes, it is our first time.
Yes, it is our first time here in Kigali.
Okay, so how are you guys excited to come to Kigali?
I'm very excited. I once did an interview for Rwanda. I think that was Joyous 25. And we had a radio interview. Little did I know that we would be coming. So I'm really, really excited. And your town looks, or your country looks clean. Well done.
That's what you heard about Kigali.
Yes, and my friend, this particular place is one of the bucket list places to come to. So I'm here on her behalf as well.
Okay.
Beautiful sights.
Okay, so what should we expect from you guys?
We are bringing South Africa to you. To Kigali, and we are going to be praising the Lord, and I hope people here are super ready because we are going to be dancing. Okay.
So are you guys sure that these Rwandans will be able to listen to the lyrics of South Africa?
They have been following us. They know our songs. They support us.
Yes.
They are our people. Now we are excited to meet them, and we want them to be part of everything we do.
Yes.
We are so excited. Rwanda is our second home.
Nkuko mubibonye twari twimwe hano na Sierra from South Africa, then na Doctor nawe numwe mbano baje all the way from South Africa, Joyous celebration ubungu biri hano natwe muri Kigali. So kwimrima kwita 29 z'ukwi 12 nejo bundi ku cyumweru guys muzaza muri BK Arena dutaramane n'abakunzi ba Joyous celebration ndetse na Joyous celebration ndetse n'andi makora menshi azaba hari. So numuve kuri screen zanyu mukanya gato ibintu byose biraba bimeze neza. Hari n'abandi benshi tucimo gutegeza ubungubu tuzi ko ari abantu 49 barimo kuza, ariko ni baki banje kuza kubera impamvu za checking in barimo kuza. So mukanya gato twakira abandi bantu nibidukunda. So nuve ku screen zawe turagaga mukanya.